Hello world! So this is a video on how to use Gua Sha. If you haven't checked out the blog post yet, please do. It is a written version of everything this video will show you. So to get started, choose the area you'd like to treat first. This is typically an area of tension, such as neck tension, which is what I will focus on in this video. I usually wake up with a stiff neck, and this is an easy, quick fix you can do from home for that. Grab your favorite oil or your most allergen-friendly oil. You don't want to use an oil that has any menthol or strong scents because you will be opening your pores and that oil might get in there and do its own thing. So try to choose a very clean, basic oil for Gua Sha. If you don't have a tool at home, you can use a metal rounded edged lid, or you can even use your hands and just do some pinching or slapping on that area to stimulate blood flow to that area. So we're just going to grab that oil, put it on the neck. This can be sloppy, it's okay. And then rub it into that muscle. You want to use a generous amount just so you're not scraping over dry skin. And you're going to be working the top to the bottom of that muscle, so make sure the oil is all over. So once you apply the oil, take your Gua Sha tool. It can be a different shape than this one. This is just the one I have now. Choose the side of the tool that matches the area of the muscle that you're going to be Gua Sha-ing. So I'm going to take the tool, place it at the top of that muscle here, and slowly drag it down with even pressure. So I'm applying pressure from my arm to the tool in an even way. And you will feel certain areas are a little more tight, crunchy, hard, etc. And those are just probably the areas that the muscle is the most bound up at. You're just going to repeat this process until you see red dots appear, which are known as petechia. It looks like a bruise, but it is not. I always warn my patients that it will look worse than it feels. It actually feels more like a massage when you're doing it. Now you can see how red it is. And if there's any bruising, you might see that now. I don't have too much going on here today. Oftentimes it will just be red. If it is a darker red or a purple color, that usually indicates an area of more stagnation. And now you're just promoting blood flow to that area to help heal that area and move in new blood. So this is a great practice to just open up your muscles and relieve stagnation. Hope you liked it.